Welcome back, guys. I'm Nathan Smith, and today we are in the workshop. In this channel, we're all about exploring the latest workshop-related tools, equipment, and gadgets. So whether you're a do-it-yourself beginner or a pro on the workshed, you'll find everything you need right here. Now let's dive right into the action as we look into the world of high-quality air hammers. Air hammers, also known as air chisels, are a staple in both the automotive and construction industries. They are powerful tools designed to deliver rapid bursts of pressurized air that drive a chisel or other attachments to cut, shape, or smooth a variety of materials including metal, stone, and concrete. Selecting the right air hammer is influenced by the nature of the projects it will be used for. That's why in this video, we're going to guide you through the different types of air hammers so you can find the one that fits your style just right. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. So, let's get started. The fifth air hammer on our list is the Craftsman Medium Duty Impact Hammer, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. The Craftsman Medium Duty Impact Hammer offers a host of features that cater to the needs of automotive professionals and DIY enthusiasts. A 1/4-inch tool air inlet size and .401-inch tool. Shank opening not only make it versatile for a range of applications, but also ensure compatibility with a variety of air hoses and chisels, allowing users to tackle different tasks with ease. This versatility means that users can rely on this impact hammer for various automotive and mechanical projects, enhancing its value and utility in the workshop or garage. Furthermore, the 3.2 standard cubic feet per minute delivery at 90 pounds per square inch guarantees consistent and efficient operation. This high delivery rate ensures that the impact hammer maintains optimal performance, allowing users to work with confidence and efficiency, whether it's for removing stubborn bolts, breaking up concrete, or any other task that requires impactful force. The Craftsman delivers the power needed to get the job done effectively. However, one limitation of this impact hammer is its 3/8-inch tool minimum hose size, which may restrict its usability in certain settings. Additionally, some users may find it slightly heavy compared to other models in its category. Our team recommends this for automotive professionals who require a reliable and versatile air tool for their projects. Its durability and performance make it a valuable addition to any workshop or garage, making the upfront cost of investment that much more worth it. The fourth air hammer on our list is the Astro Pneumatic Super Duty Air Hammer, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. The Astro Pneumatic tool is a true powerhouse tailored for heavy-duty off-road, industrial, and automotive applications. Its robust design and impressive capabilities make it an indispensable tool for professionals working in demanding environments. Specifically, its suitability for removing or installing rivets and I-beam, suspension and worksite equipment, as well as heavy-duty servicing of truck bushings, springs, and kingpins underscores its versatility and reliability in addressing a wide range of tasks. The speed of 1800 RPM, coupled with a 3/4-inch bore, ensures that this air hammer delivers exceptional performance and precision. This combination of power and precision allows users to tackle challenging tasks with confidence, whether it's breaking through tough materials or performing precise riveting work. The Astro Pneumatic Tool 4980 empowers professionals to work efficiently and effectively, making it an indispensable asset in their toolkit. While this air hammer exhibits remarkable power, its throttle trigger lacks finesse, providing limited control over its intensity. Furthermore, the limited availability of bit sizes, while not a direct fault of the tool, compounds this issue. A combination of these factors poses challenges in precision and maneuverability during operation, potentially resulting in unintended mishaps. So, it's best to practice extra caution as advertised. Our team recommends this for enthusiasts working in heavy-duty automotive, industrial, and off-road settings. Its robust construction, high performance, and competitive price point make it an essential tool for tackling demanding tasks with efficiency and reliability. The third air hammer on our list is the Ingersoll Rand Short Barrel Air Hammer Kit, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. The Ingersoll Rand 123 Max Short Barrel Air Hammer Kit represents a significant advancement in the realm of air hammers, setting a new standard with its remarkable 15% impact force increase over standard models. This enhanced impact force empowers users to tackle tough tasks with greater efficiency and effectiveness, making it a game changer in the world of pneumatic tool. Moreover, the anti-vibration features of the 123 Max reduce vibration by 30%, significantly improving user comfort and control during operation. This reduction in vibration not only enhances the user experience but also minimizes fatigue, allowing for prolonged and more precise use of the tool. Additionally, the incorporation of shock reduction and an anti-slip grip further elevates usability, ensuring that users can work with confidence and precision. The inclusion of a quick change retainer in the kit enables swift and effortless chisel changes, ultimately boosting productivity. This feature streamlines the process of adapting to different tasks, saving valuable time and effort for the user. Altogether, the Ingersoll Rand 123 Max short barrel air hammer. The kit's combination of increased impact force, anti-vibration features, and quick change capabilities makes it a top choice for professionals seeking enhanced performance and usability in their pneumatic tools. While this air hammer packs quite a punch, it can sometimes act up, possibly due to a sticky valve. But don't fret, it still pulls through when it counts. Just a heads up though, the included bits might not be top of the line. So you might want to look into getting some aftermarket parts for an even better performance. Our team recommends this for professionals in the vehicle repair industry, heavy truck maintenance, and MRO sectors. Its exceptional power, reduced vibration, and durability make it an indispensable tool for tackling demanding tasks in these specific fields, where precision and reliability are paramount. The second air hammer on our list is the AIRCAT Medium Stroke Air Hammer, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. The AIRCAT Medium Stroke Air Hammer stands out as a top-tier tool that seamlessly combines power and comfort. Its composite body design not only reduces weight, but also provides a sleek and ergonomic feel, ensuring a comfortable user experience even during extended periods of use. This ergonomic design makes it a pleasure to handle, enhancing user satisfaction and reducing fatigue. With an impressive 3,000 blows per minute and a .401-inch shank, this air hammer emerges as one of the strongest and hardest hitting models available, empowering users to tackle challenging tasks with ease and efficiency. The high blows per minute rate and robust shank size make it a versatile and reliable tool for a wide range of applications, from heavy-duty automotive work to industrial tasks. On the less positive side of things, while it may suffice for tasks involving smaller vehicles like mopeds, this air hammer lacks the necessary power for practical use in more demanding environments. Our team recommends this for technicians and mechanics with smaller body builds who demand both power and comfort in their tools. Its lightweight and ergonomic design ensure easy handling and reduce fatigue, making it ideal for long hours of continuous use in busy auto repair shops. The best air hammer on our list is the Chicago Classic Series Heavy-Duty Air Hammer Kit, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. The Chicago Classic Series Heavy-Duty Air Hammer Kit is the go-to choice for operators in maintenance and body shop applications who prioritize durability and precision. This heavy-duty pistol hammer, boasting a remarkable 2,000 blows per minute and a substantial 3.15-inch stroke, is purpose-built to meet the demands of industrial maintenance and production-grade tasks. Its high blows per minute rating and generous stroke length enable users to effortlessly tackle a wide range of heavy-duty applications, from metalworking to general maintenance tasks. The construction of the air hammer kit is a standout feature, with its aluminum body ensuring robustness and reliability, making it suitable for heavy-duty use in a variety of applications. The durable construction not only enhances the tool's longevity, but also instills confidence in users, knowing that it can withstand the rigors of demanding work environments. That said, one potential downside of the Chicago Classic Series Heavy-Duty Air Hammer Kit is its weight, which may be cumbersome for some users during prolonged use or when working in tight spaces. Our team recommends this for heavy-duty professionals who are more inclined to take on longer jobs with more loads to carry. With an impressive blows per minute figure and a substantial stroke, it is specifically designed to meet the demands of industrial maintenance and production-grade tasks. And there you have it, fellow workshop enthusiasts, our list of the 5 best air hammers in the market. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated. If you have any suggestions, feel free to drop a comment below. Again, this is Nathan, reminding you to stay safe, work smart, and keep yourself up to date with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great.